Hi, I'm Melissa Wirtz with the Chris Keleher team here at 363 Cedar Street. It's a semi right here in the Tree Streets, as I've said, and it has 3 bedrooms on one side, 2 bedrooms on the other side, and it's on a very large downtown lot. This is an income potential property, or it can be a property that you live in one side and you rent out the other side. The really incredible thing about this spot is that it's right downtown, close to all of the amenities, and also, of course, Georgian Bay. Looking forward to meeting you on your private tour of 363 Cedar Street.